My name is Michael Spalt from Vienna, and I make custom guitars, one unique pieces each. And this year we're at the Boutique Guitar Showcase presenting some of them. This is one of them. This is called the Barefoot King, and it's based on an idea that I got when a neighbor of mine gave me a box of shoe molds, shoemaker's molds, and I liked the shapes of those kind of curves in wood, and they inspired me to do the shaping of the body wings for the guitar. This guitar was exhibited at the Art Basel in Miami at a gallery. It's meant to be a showpiece, but it's a fully functional guitar also. It's a neck-through mahogany with maple body wings and an aluminum centerpiece, all handmade from scratch basically. It's what I do, with the appropriate stand for that.